Learning will give you an overview of IRR or repayment schedule functions in LMS. Login. Log into TCS Bank's LMS using your SAP code and password. This is the landing page of LMS where you will have several tabs indicating different modules. Click on Customer Services. Select the search criteria and enter the contract number. Click on Submit. Note, ideally, all contracts are created by CPC in the LOS module. However, as an exception, Create Contract provision has also been provided in LMS. On the top, you can view the contract holder's name. On the left-hand side, you can view various functions that you may perform for this contract. IRR repayment schedule. Once the contract has been created, approved and accepted in the LMS system, the repayment schedule option in LMS allows the maker to create repayment schedule and offer various repayment plans. A number of functions can be performed under repayment schedule, that is, schedule repayment frequency, which contains total contract tenure, contract principal amount, breakup of principal and interest included in each installment, and the balance principal outstanding at the end of each frequency. It also provides breakup of insurance renewal premium and TDS components wherever applicable. Let's have a look at the different functions performed under repayment and IRR. Repayment schedule with fixed EMI. Click on IRR or repayment schedule from the left-hand side menu. Select Jump to Business IRR as No to create a new repayment schedule. Select Action as Create and select Option. Click on Submit. Based on contract details, number of advanced EMI will be displayed. Maker has to input EMI amount without insurance. Note, maker may input moratorium, which is as per contract repayment frequency. Example, one moratorium is equal to 1 month. In case of quarterly, one moratorium is equal to 3 months and so on. Here, again under basic details, customer's contract detail will be displayed. In the IRR or repayment schedule section, action field will be auto-populated. Repayment field will be auto-populated. Finance amount will be displayed here. Repay frequency will be displayed here. In case opted advance EMI by adjustment or payment, number of advance EMI will be populated based on which the repayment schedule will be generated. Enter EMI amount and click on Calculate. Based on entered EMI amount without insurance, new effective rate will be generated when clicking on Calculate button. Based on moratorium selection, principal or interest statement fields will be populated. Click on Submit after checking the details. Similar process can be followed for repayment option EMI. For EMI option, maker has to enter the rate, and this is only allowed for the arrear cases, not for the advance EMI cases. Repayment structured EMI. To create repayment schedule with repayment option as structured EMI, maker can give up to 10 installment slabs. Also, this option can be used for repayment holiday wherever required by giving the EMI amount as 0. If we are giving EMI as 0, system will not raise any billing for those months. Under repayment option, select structured EMI. Click on Submit. Basic contract details will be displayed here. Enter the number of installments and the installment amount here. Total number of installments and the amount will be displayed at the bottom. Click on Calculate. Then, based on inputs by maker, new effective rate will be generated. This will be displayed the structured EMI of the contract. You can click on Submit once you have checked the same. Inquire or amend repayment schedule. This function will be used to inquire or amend repayment schedule. You can select the function under IRR or repayment and select Enquire or Amend. Under Amend option, you can make changes to the existing repayment schedule. Select the Generate Repayment Schedule with as TO balance or actual contract balance. Click on Submit. Supporting documents for amending the repayment schedule needs to be uploaded on the DMS file link. Amend the required details and click on Calculate. Validate the details and click Submit. This will display the repayment schedule. Click Submit to get IRR details. Success message will be displayed. Prompt Payment Rebate (PPR). System enables the maker to provide the option Prompt Payment Rebate to customers who repay their installments regularly. The PPR should be configured for a scheme. The attributes for a rebate will be as follows. Rebate applicable frequency. The maker will select any of the following: end of each year, end of contract, end of each year, end of contract. Default parameter setup wise PPR is calculated. PPR driven by scheme and eligibility parameter based on repayment history of the contract. Internal rate of return (IRR). System calculates IRRs on the parameter setup done. Once the repayment schedule is set on a contract, system enables the maker to view and amend IRR details.